I'm on the computer 24/7. I mean, YouTube's online, Twitter is, Netflix is, and my editing program, Adobe Premiere Pro, is on this computer. I would also like to mention, I'm a night person. Definitely not a morning guy. Every day, I stay up till midnight on the computer. Then, I go to bed. What I mean by that is watching YouTube videos on my phone till 3 a.m.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here, in the iTunes store.
And a little fun fact, my entire family consists of morning people, so they go to bed really early. One night, I was in a Skype call with 4 of my friends, and we were playing a game called Psych. This call was the most fun I've ever had. I never laughed so hard in my life. Sadly, my parents didn't think it was too funny. And the next thing I know, I'm phoneless and mouseless. The next day, I was bored out of my mind, and I had nothing to do. Meanwhile, my mom and brother were both preparing for a bike ride, and I, having nothing to do, willingly agreed to go. This bike ride taught me to get out of the house more. We moved into this house in December, and I just found out how close we are to the beach, and honestly, the coolest beach I've ever been to. Nothing is ever going to change my computer addiction, but now I know a nice bike path to let out all my stressful thoughts and take a break from all the screens.